Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Resident Evil 4 Remake on PC. First, confirm your computer meets the game's minimum specifications for a good experience. Next, acquire the game from a digital platform such as Steam. After purchase, proceed with the installation, which typically needs around 40 gigabytes of free storage. Once installed, you are ready to launch the game and begin your survival horror adventure. To ensure a smooth experience, your PC should meet certain specifications. The minimum requires an Intel Core i5-7500 or AMD Ryzen 3200 processor, with 8 GB of RAM. For graphics, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti or AMD Radeon RX 560 is needed. For the best performance, aim for an Intel Core i7-8700 or AMD Ryzen 5600 CPU, 16 GB of RAM, and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 or AMD Radeon RX 5700 graphics card. Once in the game, fine-tune your graphics settings for the best balance of visuals and performance. Consider adjusting texture quality, shadow quality, and volumetric lighting. Enabling Fidelity FX Super Resolution 2 can significantly boost your frame rate. For controls, you can customize mouse and keyboard bindings or use a gamepad. Experiment with aim assist, run type, and crouch type to find what feels most comfortable for your gameplay. To further enhance your Resident Evil 4 Remake experience on PC, prioritize performance settings if you encounter any frame rate issues. Regularly update your graphics drivers to ensure stability and optimal game performance. For clearer visuals during intense combat, consider disabling motion blur in the settings. Finally, practice essential combat mechanics like parrying and quick turns to effectively navigate the game's challenging encounters and survive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.